Hi everyone, welcome to Factory Excel. Today we going to learn how pivot table insert calculated field. Let we start from basic pivot table. The cost and sales column, if you insert to rows or values, are the same result without any sum function because it's just the unit price. Now we go to Pivot Table Analyze and click Fields to insert the calculation fields. The default field name is Field 1. We can see the row that we have from the pivot table. We going to insert a calculation field. The formula is sales minus cost to get the profit. Rename the field name. Click Add button to add to the row list and click OK. The new column is added. Next, we going to add the gross profit margin percent. The formula is we can use the sales minus cost field over the sales. Rename the new field name to GP percent. Click the Add button to add the field and click OK. The new column GP percent is added.